quarter mile, turn left onto Blythe Road. In a quarter mile, turn left onto London Road. Turn left onto London Road, 821.
Thank you. Okay, lovely. When you're ready, we're going to move off, please. And follow the sat nav again. Although by now they'll be directing you back, yeah? Because you only follow it for 20 minutes.
Oh, the route's ended now.
I mean,
it's been 20 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. So you'll follow it for 20 minutes and then they'll direct you back.
Gosh, lap skis. That was still on.
Pedestrian.
Oh, crap.
Continue on 821 for a half mile. Turn right onto Park Avenue. Turn right onto Park Avenue.
Disastrous.
It's alright, you read the road, didn't you? So
Yeah.
that's the main thing.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Cranmore Road.
Pull up on the left behind the red car ahead. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Behind it, please. any closer because you'll hit the pavement. Because look at the back, but the
Oh,
front
yeah.
a bit closer. All right.
Let me stay this way then. Okay.
When you're ready, we are going to use the red car to do parallel park. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This car is not even straight.
Okay. Mhm. How are your hands? Still cold? Or you
No,
alright?
they're fine.
Okay. Because this GoPro loves to shut down when it gets too hot. So.
Dang. Okay.
Do you know what's happened?
I oversteered
Yeah.
that way because now I'm like sticking out.
Yeah. So you just want to, when it's straight, we need to stop. So let's get it straight again. Observation before we move. When we get it straight again. There you go. This is where you want it to stop. So the gap is about, can you see there's
It was
actually a
wide,
drain?
that's what I think.
There's actually a drain there, yeah? You don't want to be any wider than the drain
Okay.
width. So you just need to close it a little bit.
Okay.
So how do we do that?
Reverse and steer that
Mhm.
way. To straighten up.
1 minute. When you're ready, let's do a parallel park again, please.
I'm too close to it.
No, you're perfect. It should be arms length away, which I am. See?
Okay.
Fine. It's not nice doing it on these busy-ish roads, but sometimes they stop people on such roads, you know? Don't overdo it.
Oh.
Did you see?
Yeah.
So you're straight, so you want to stop.
Oh
So
my
the
God.
front wheel just touched it. If the examiner's nice, it's fine. They'll say you just kiss the curb and let you off. But if not, they'll be like,
Yeah.
okay, not if the examiner's nice, but if they're lenient, shall I say. But yeah, as soon as you're straight, just stop it. Okay, but you didn't hit, it wasn't fast speed, so they might let you off on that one, but you don't want to risk it, okay?
Yeah.
So final, what do we do to finish?
Straight and up. Yes.
Yay, but that was much better than the first time. Well done, perfect. Remember to look where when we're reversing.
Oh, I'm back.
Yeah, that's fine. Well done. What we'll do next lesson, we'll just spend the first hour on manoeuvres, so you're really
Yeah.
confident. But you are fine, you know what you're doing. But what I've noticed is you just have to do it step by step. It's missing that getting it close. And it's not an issue, remember, you can readjust it. It's not like you'll fail if you don't get it first time.
Yeah.
It's just if you do it step by step, you won't have to readjust, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready, let's finish this route. We're nearly there anyways now. So remember last time, the observations, you want to make sure you're really checking over your shoulder when you're leaving, because it stops at the mirror, at the window.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to really check over.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Avondale Road. Turn right onto Avondale Road. In 800 feet, turn left to stay on Avondale Road.
I feel like that would have been a tight squeeze.
No, definitely, they're on their test. It would have been. Well done for waiting.
Turn left to stay on Avondale Road. Then turn left onto Burnt Ash Lane. Turn left onto Burnt Ash Lane, 82212. Then, in 400 feet, turn left onto Roslyn Way. Turn left onto Roslyn Way. Then, in 400 feet, turn right onto Brindley Way.
Good, well done. Okay, I'm going to ask you to pull up on the left, please.
Turn right onto Brindley Way. Then, in 60 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
And then we're going to just park in the shade. Actually, it's fine because there's a driveway. Okay. That's the end of your test. So, just going over the faults. Just there, you want to make sure when you're turning left, you want to be positioned over to the left a little bit more. But that's not a serious, that's just a minor. The pedestrian, do you remember when I said pedestrian?
Yeah.
I think I'll have to take ownership. I was talking to you about something, and then you notice your signal was still on, and then
Yeah.
the pedestrian was there, and we rolled forward too far forward. I can't remember what I was telling you. But yeah, scan ahead before you get to the end of the road. The lights as well, the filter lights.
Oh,
yeah. So those were the series: the lights, the speed, and the pedestrian. Yeah. And then observations, like I said, sometimes you're checking, but sometimes you finish there and you need to be over your shoulder, blind spot over the shoulder. Yeah. So I think next time we're just gonna do maneuvers to start with. We'll do some now as well, but just to get you more confident, because the rest of it is fine. You know, the lights, you're not going to do that again. The speed, you're going to keep in line it now. The pedestrian, you don't normally do that. Yeah, but that's it. So parking as well. Parking was fine. It's not serious. It just means you need to close the gap. Yeah, if it's too wide. But also you need to remember to stop when it's straight. And I think that was it. The observations, moving off. The observations while you're doing it is fine. It's just the moving off, so because they pull you up a lot. Yeah. All right, but thanks for filming. I appreciate it, and we'll have good news for you when she's passed.
Yes,
won't
please.
we? No, we will. I'm confident. Congratulations, Foyin. You have passed at Bromley this morning.
Yeah.
Congratulations. How do you feel?
Amazing. Thank you,
Good.
Florence.
Oh.
She's been wonderful. I'm glad that I got moved to Bromley and I found her, because I would have never passed without her.
No, you did all the hard work. I'm very proud of you. You put a lot of hours in, didn't you? Any advice for other people learning? What helped you? What do you think helped you to pass today?
Put in extra hours, like, just to get started, because like I couldn't even pull up the maneuvers a couple months ago. I was thinking, how am I gonna do that? And I got it in the first time, so just practice, stay calm and be consistent.
Yeah, you really did get it in first time. Thank you. And you did a mock test as well, didn't you?
Yeah, I did like 7, so it
Yeah.
because then you familiarize yourself with the roads.
Good, because when you came to me, you hadn't really done any independent driving, had you?
Zero. Like, I wasn't used to driving alone. So.
But now you're happy?
Yes,
Yeah,
amazing.
well done.
Yes,
Thank
we
you.
did it.
You did it. Well done. All right. Congratulate. Enjoy yourself and
Yes.
celebrate, because it's a
Oh
big
my
deal.
days, it
Well
is.
done.
Thank you.
No.